In Jannah, there are different kinds of pleasures. We don't know them, but we know of one of them. One type of pleasure we have never experienced in this world that we will experience in the hereafter. And that is to see Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And let me tell you the story of this. You are sitting in your house in Jannah and an angel knocks on the door. When the angel knocks on the door, he says, Hayya ala ziyarat al-Rahman. Come on, let's go visit Allah. Let's go visit Allah. You've never seen Allah yet. So you open your door, tu'addu lahum al-raka'ib. So there's a ride prepared for you. And you go, on that ride to a nice open land where there are mountains of light, pillars of gold, piles of musk. Everyone there is sitting based on their level in Jannah, and no one feels anything bad about anyone else. And we're sitting there remembering the days of this world. And suddenly, brothers and sisters, suddenly, you look above you and there's light. Light upon light upon light. And we're all looking. And we ask the angels, is this Allah? We've never seen Allah. And the angels say, no. This is the light that precedes Allah. And while we're looking there, brothers and sisters, we hear, Assalamu alaykum ya ahl al-Jannah. Peace be upon you, O people of Jannah. And we reply back, Allahumma anta as-salam wa minka as-salam. Tabarakta ya dhal jalali wal ikram. O Allah, you are peace and peace is from you. May you be glorified, O majestic one. And listen carefully, brothers and sisters. As Allah says, are you happy? Are you satisfied? And we say, Allah, how can we not be happy when you saved us from hellfire and entered us into Jannah? And Allah says, what else do you want? And we say, nothing else. And Allah says, no, today is the day of giving. I want to give you more. What do you want? And all of us together, we say, Ya Allah, Arina wajhak nanzur ilayk. Show us your face. We want to see you. We miss you. We've worshipped you all our life and we've never seen you. You've given us everything. Brothers and sisters, for most of us, He has given us Islam when we never asked for it. And for those who converted, He gave you guidance. Brothers and sisters, you want to see Him. You miss Him. You love Him. Ya Allah, we want to see you. And the barriers between us and Allah will be removed. And for the first time, you will get to see Allah. You will get to see the one that created you out of nothing. You will get to see the one who created beauty itself. You will get to see the one who knows you more than you know yourself. You will get to see the one who gave you so many chances so that you can be in Jannah. You get to see the one who's more merciful than your mother. The Sahaba, the companions asked, Ya Rasulullah, will we see him just like this? And the Prophet ﷺ said, look at the moon, can you see the moon? And the Sahaba said, yes. He said, just like that. And by seeing Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, brothers and sisters, it is a ni'mah, it is a pleasure that we do not comprehend in this world.